Lots of good jerky. Here's the beef that I used. I got it at Walmart. You can see it's almost 2 pounds. And I got it from over where the stir-fry meat is. All I'm going to do right here is just trim up the fat, a little bit of fat that's around the edges. Then I'm going to just slice it up into perfect size jerky pieces. So when you're using meat this thin, like maybe a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch, I doubt it's an 1/8 of an inch, you're going to get jerky within probably around 2 hours, 2.5 hours max. Alright, y'all, we're going to make spicy Cajun beef jerky with a southern twist on a classic snack. So first thing we're going to do is we got a pound of beef over here already sliced up, half a cup of Worcestershire, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm using Bragg's liquid aminos, 1/4 of a cup of white wine vinegar. We got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. See if we can get that all in there. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, we made a little mess, whatever. 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. This is actually from Bucky's Cajun seasoning. Got 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder. We got 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of granulated onion. We've got a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Lid on, and we're gonna give it a good shake. The old vacuum marinade tumbler out. We're gonna throw our beef in. Shake our mixture up one more time. Our marinade. Pour it in there. Vacuum marinade tumbler. You don't need a whole lot of marinade to get a whole lot of flavor. Lid on. Hook this up. Pull a vacuum. Alright, lock the lid. I'm going to set this timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to give this an initial shake just to get everything mixed up and going good. Throw this on the vacuum marinade tumbler. Let this go for 15 minutes. Alright. Come on, baby. Start laying this out. What we're using here today is the Nesco FD80 dehydrator. Oh man, this jerky smells delicious. This Nesco dehydrator is, it doesn't blow up the heat from the bottom. It blows from the top down onto the meat. So we got that 1 pound and whatever it was in beef loaded up on here, and it took 4 trays. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this lid on, we're going to turn it on, and we're going to let this sit out here for about 2 hours by itself, and then we'll come out and check it every 30 minutes after that. I've got it set on 160. This is what we got out of that. After it got done, it took 2.5 hours. Half of it came off in 2 hours, and half of it came off in another 30 minutes. Lots of good jerky. Let's try it out. Here we go. Look at that. That tear right there. Sweet from the brown sugar. Got that Tex-Mex chipotle flavor. It's got a little bit of heat from the cayenne and probably the black pepper. Only thing the vinegar does is really just tenderizes the meat. Well, that's good right there. Look. Another piece. Man, that thing tears apart. Now tomorrow morning, this stuff's going to be even better after it starts doing whatever it's got to do. It's always better the day after, but wow. Savory. My gosh. The juice is just from reconstituting itself while you're chewing it. It's just amazing. I love small batch beef jerky. Try this video. If you do, leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you think about it. There'll be a link in the video description to the stuff that I used in this video. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.
Oh, yeah.